Hey guys, Sean Terry here. I want to take a minute and I want to show you exactly what you're going to get when it comes to remote millions, pay-per-click secrets, and down payment arbitrage. Those are three different digital products that you're going to have access to immediately right now, but I'm going to actually do something different. Instead of me talking about it, I'm going to take you into the membership site for each one and show you what you're going to get. Now, remote millions is all about doing deals nationally. Pay-per-click secrets is specifically how to generate leads from Google AdWords. It's unheard of, it's amazing. I'm talking $36 a lead. And then down payment arbitrage is all about how to structure seller finance deals where, guess what? It's coming right now where that is gonna be the biggest play in the marketplace. So those three products are absolutely amazing. They're best-selling products, and I'm gonna take you in the membership site and show you exactly what you're gonna get. So let's do that right now. Real quick and show you exactly what you're gonna get once you sign up for the 2021 Memorial Day sale at 92% off. Basically, when you go in, you're gonna access here. This is the portal. These are all our different products we have on here, and part of this package is Remote Millions. So once you get into Remote Millions, you'll see you'll have access to all the training. Here's a full training on REI Automator software. You get what to expect, concept revealed, terminology so you understand what we're talking about, who sells at a deep discount, success by the numbers. This is really good right here because once you understand it's a numbers game and then you can focus on the numbers, then you know what to expect. Picking a hot city, finding a small market, pull $100,000 out of REI Automator, hot zip codes, phone tracking system, targeting distressed sellers. These are all postcard marketing. So all these trainings are cool because you can come in here and you can download the MP3 if you'd like. Also the PDF of the slide deck. But if you go into the training, you can see they can start and Remote Millions will start. You can expand it if you want, and it's all high quality digital. Everything you need to know to get started. That's week one. We've got week two, right? Objection annihilation method, making offers over the phone. You get our scripts inside here. Here's our seller lead scripts. Here's everything you need for download purposes. Here's how to read seller like a book, determine an offer price, determine a COVID offer price, right? DocuSign, using that, getting pictures of the property. How does that work? Getting pictures from the seller, apps for virtual wholesaling, and we've got how to get floods of cash buyers, how to get buyers to commit, how to fill out the BC contract, everything you need to know here, what could go wrong. Week four, we get some AdWords training. So this is it's a very like a mini 10-15 minute video on AdWords. PPC Secrets is a full-blown course. It teaches everything. Then we have our live sessions, which are amazing when it comes to me. I recorded Nick Perry and some other successful students. You get to hear about them too. And any one of these you go into, which is great. You're able to watch these and listen to them, and they're awesome. So that is Remote Millions, complete full course, ton of information, nothing left unturned, which is great. So it's absolutely something for sure that you want to have access. If you want to do deals nationally, you want to scale it to the next level, this is the training. All right, so the next one is PPC Secrets. So PPC Secrets, full training here. What is pay-per-click advertising? Intro to Freedom Logic. Google AdWords intro. What does it look like? How do we do it? Basically, also setting up your first campaign, exactly what to do. And we walk through the literally step-by-step process on how to set up your first campaign, setting up your ad groups correctly, managing and optimizing your optimization score, negative keywords. We give you how to set up your campaign for remarketing. And we have a direct mail strategy in here and how to get 7.7% response rate and direct mail in these small little markets across the country, which is cool. All right, so that's pay-per-click secrets. The next one is down payment arbitrage. And down payment arbitrage, another full course on specifically how to do transactions
do wrap transactions, right? So you may have and sorry, my voice is all whacked. I've been talking like crazy for the last couple of days. So you may have a seller that that has no equity in a property. This allows you and shows you how to do a deal when there's no equity, how to wrap the transaction, and how to arbitrage the down payments. We go through case studies in here, which is amazing, and we analyze deals, the perfect mailing list, final thoughts. I mean, this is a premier course. Actually, one of our best courses in here is down payment arbitrage. So you get all access to those inside the membership site, which is amazing. Plus, you get all the bonuses inside here, all the resources, our coaching call archives, access to Deal or No Deal. We have all those recordings, which are amazing. And as soon as you sign in, you get access. So get started right now. Go to Flip to Freedom Sale. Yes, you want to be one of the spots here and get started, and you can have instant access to the membership site. So hope you're doing well. I'll talk to you later. God bless.